Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I hope all of you in a good health. Today we're going to learn about arrange and count numbers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to first count in ones up to tens, hundreds and thousands in ascending and descending order. Second, you will be able to complete any number sequence in ascending and descending order. Now, let's learn about arrange number first. What is mean by arrange number? Arrange number means you need to arrange the number in any sequence depends on two orders. First order is ascending order and the second one is descending order. For ascending order, you need to arrange the number from small to big number. That means the number will going up. Second one, for descending order, you need to arrange the number from big to small. That means the number will going down. Now, let's look at to the example together. Here, we have four number card, which is the first number is 3000, second number is 3100, followed by 2800 and 2900. So, based from these four numbers card, we need to arrange it according to its ascending order or descending order. We'll go to ascending order first. As I told you earlier, to arrange number in ascending order, we need to arrange the number from small to big number. That means the number will going up. So first of all, we need to compare among these four cards, which is the smallest number. So how to compare this number? We need to look at to the thousand place value first. As we can see, we have here 3000 and 2000. Now if we compare 3 and 2, 2 is smaller. So we move to 2000. We have two cards here, which is 2800 and 2900. We compare the hundreds place value 8 and 9. Directly we know 8 is smaller than 9. So the first number, the smaller number will be 2800. And then the second number will be 2900. Followed by the third number, we move to the 3000. For 3000, we compare 3000 and 3100. So for the 100 place value 0 and 1, basically 0 is smaller than 1. So the third number will be 3000. And then the largest number in this numbers card will be 3100. So this is the number when we arrange in ascending order. Now from the same number card, let's rearrange it in descending order. For descending order, as I told you earlier also, it will be arranged from big number to small. That means the number will going down. So from here we already know the biggest number, the largest number is 3100, followed with the second larger, which is 3000, and move to the smaller number, which is 2900, and the smallest number here will be 2800. So this is the number when we arrange it in descending order. It will move from big number to small number. Now let's move to the next example here. We have four number card, which is 3905, 4905, 3805, and we have 3705. So again, arrange this number according to its ascending order and descending order. So for ascending order, it's from small number to a big number. So let's find which is the smallest number here. So we compare the 1000 first. For the 1000 place value, we have 3 and 4. So directly we know 3 is smaller than 4. So for 3000, we have 3 number, which is 900, 800 and 700. So we compare 9, 8 and 7. Directly we know 7 is smallest. So 3705 will be the smallest number, the first number, and then the second number will be 800, which is 3805, and then the third number will be 3905, and the largest number here is 4005. Now from the same number card, we move to descending order. That means from big to small. Directly, we know 4 is the biggest number, the largest number. So the first number here will be 4005, the largest number, followed by a larger number which is 3905, and then the third number will be 3805, and the smallest number will be 3705. So as you can see, actually if we arrange number in ascending order, it is a vice versa for descending order. Now let's learn about counting numbers. When we talk about counting numbers, we have two ways of counting. The first one will have count on. Count on means you need to count forward. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second one, we have count back. Count back means we need to count backwards, like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now let's look at the example. First one, we have count on in 6. So as I told you earlier, count on means forward, but this time you need to count on forward in 6. That means you need to plus 6 number to each number that we have. So let's look at here. As you can see, the first number here is 6000, and then it will plus with 6 become 6006. Then we need to plus with 6 again. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So the third number will be 6012. And then counting in 6, 12 plus 6 will be 18. So that's why the fourth number is 6080. So to get the last number, to get the fifth number, we need to plus with 6 again. So 6018 plus 6 will be 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the fifth number will be 6024. So this is count on in 6. Now let's look at how to count back in 6. Count back means count backwards. To get the number, if count on we plus, for count back we need to minus. Minus 6. That means we backward, we count 6 to the back for each number. So let's see the first number here, we have 4048. And then count back in 6 means we need to minus 6. To get the second number, it will be 48 minus 6 is equal to 42. So it will be 4042. If we minus again with 6, it will be 41, 40, 39, 38, and 36. So that's why here is 4036. And then we minus again with 6. 36 minus 6 will be 30. So the fourth number is 4030. And then 30 minus 6 again, it will be 24. So the fifth number is 4024. Next one, we have count on in tens. So this time we need to count forward because it's on, but we need to move 10 steps forward for each number. So again, for count on, that means we need to plus or we need to add with 10. So here we have 3718 plus with 10. So the tens place value here 1 will change. The other for the thousand, hundreds, and ones, it will remain same. So 18 plus 10 will be 28. So here is 3728. You plus with another 10 will be 38. Here the third number. Plus with another 10 will be 48. And we plus again with 10 will be 3758. So this is count on in tens. Now let's do count backs in 10. Again, count backs means you need to count backward 10 steps for each number. So you already given the second number, which is 5090, and then minus with 10 will be 5080, minus with 10 again will be 5070. However, we're still missing the first number here. So if you move to the right, you just minus with 10. But to get the number to the left, you need to plus the number. So 90 plus 10 will be 100. So here will be 5,100. Let's check together. If the number is 5,100 and then we minus with 10, it will be 90. 100 minus 10 is 90, 80, 70 and 60. Now, let's move to the next example. Here we have count on in hundreds. So again, if it's count on, that means we need to count forward by 100 steps in each number. That means we need to plus with 100 to each number. So here the first number we have 2,893 plus with 100. So we'll get 2,993. So as you can see, only the hundreds place value from 8 changed to 9. The rest for thousand, tens and ones it remain same because we counting in hundreds. So only the place value hundreds will change. So now from 2,993, if we plus with another 100, it will be 3,093. Because 900 plus 100 will be 1,000. So the 1,000 will change from 2,000 to 3,000. Now from 3,093, we'll plus again with 100. It will be 0 plus 1 will be 100. So the fourth number here is 3,193 and plus 100 again for the fifth number. So 100 plus with 100 will be 200. So the last number is 3,293. Next one, we have count back in hundreds. Again, count backs means count backwards in 100 steps. So the number will different in hundreds. So again, here we have the second number, which is 6,074. If count back, that's means we minus with 100 steps, hundreds number, it will be from 6,000, we minus 100, we'll get 5,974 minus with 100. So 900 minus 100 will be 5,874 minus again with 100 will be 5,774. So it's just like the previous example. To count on and get the number to the right, you just minus with 100. However, to get the number at the left side, you need to plus. So for this case, we need to plus with 100. So 6,074, if we plus with 100, it will be 6,174. So let's check this together. 6,174, if we minus with 100, it will be 100 minus with 100, it will be 0. So that's why 6,174 will become 6,074 at the second number. Now, let's look at to the last example here. We have count on in thousand. So again, count on means count forward to the front in 1,000 steps each number. So counting in thousands means only the 1,000 place value will change. The rest for the hundreds, tens and ones will remain same. Let's look at to the example here. We have 2,463. So only the 1,000 change. So after 2 is 3. So here will be 3,463. After 3,000 will be 4,000. And then the last number will be 5,463. Remember, all the other place values such as hundreds, tens and ones will remain same. Only the thousands will change. So how to find the first number here? If we count on, the number will go forward. So we have 2, 3, 4 and 5. There you will know before 2 is 1. So here we have 1,463. So the next example, we have count back in thousand. Again, count backs mean backwards. So you minus with thousand. So for this time, only the thousands will change. The hundreds place value, tens and ones will remain same. So let's say we'll be given the first number is 9,000. If we counting backwards, before 9 is 8. So here it will be 8,761. And then before 8 is 7. So here is 7,761. Before 7 is 6. And before 6 is 5. So here is 5,761. So that's all for today. I hope you already learn and understand how to arrange number in ascending order and descending order and count on and count back the number. See you again next time. Thank you.